Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with admin rights and a registry backup so you can revert if needed. Once ready, open Regedit and go to hklm/system /current control set /control /terminal server /winstations /rdptcp. You will find port number. Change its value to the new port using decimal so Windows stores the exact port you chose. Make sure the port you pick isn't used by another service and note it down. After editing, close Regedit but do not reboot yet. Next, you must update firewall rules to allow that port. Next, you must open the new port in the firewall so connections reach the machine. Create a new inbound Windows firewall rule allowing TCP on the exact port for the profiles you use. Include the server's IP if you want to tighten scope. If the host is behind a router, add a NAT/port forward entry from the external port to the server's LAN IP and the new port. Once done, update any group policy or third-party endpoint rules that could block that port so your traffic flows correctly. Finally, restart remote desktop services or reboot so the change takes effect, and then test by connecting using IP port from a remote client. If it fails, check that the service is running and that netstat shows the new port listening. Use netstat and filter for a port. Also inspect firewall logs and your router's NAT entries. If you still can't connect, ensure the firewall rule applies to the correct profile and that your ISP isn't blocking uncommon ports. Adjust and retest until.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.